All right. Hey, everybody. Vacation Doug coming to you here. I thought I would give you a little behind the scenes of how we are relaxing up here in the mountains. We are in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania, and if my head can get out of the way, or maybe I just do that, Kelly Suites. We are on the main drag here in Jim Thorpe, PA, the Switzerland of America, and they're not lying. It's a beautiful place here. I'm going to turn it around so you can see down that way. We are about to go and catch a sightseeing train that goes through the Lehigh Gorge, and that's going to be fun. But let me show you this crazy little place that we found here. We're in the off season, and the owners, the proprietors, are off site. This is like a bed and breakfast with 3 or 4 suites, and they have a little shop downstairs. But they have a code to the door, and they left our bedroom open so that we can just come in, and then there's our keys, and we can, and we're the only ones here, y'all. We are in this historic, whoop, I need my key, not my car key. See, this is what happens on live. Do I have it? Did I lock myself out? That would be me. No, I think I have the key. Here. No, that's to our room. This is to the front door. Let me see. No, that's not to the front door. Is this one to the front door? Oh, I feel like that might be the one. Come on now. Uh-oh. Hey, okay. I'm supposed to be here, y'all. It's fine. Let me take the key out and close that. This is an historic, ooh, dark. Yeah, there's nobody here except us. And yeah, the proprietors are off site. Isn't this lovely? So they have a little habitual is their shop, and they run it when they're here. And we can get some of these things, and you know, they can bill us. I mean, they're watching us now because you know it's surveillance down here for their shop while they're not here, and they have guests staying upstairs. But yeah, window out to the back. Let me show you over here. It's so interesting. This house is historic, y'all. Really old hardwood floors. Back here, this is where we come in because we park out back, and then they have one of these newfangled locks with the code, and all of these herbal teas, and yeah, there's the menu for the all of the teas, and it's exciting. We might get some before we leave, but our place, let me close this front door here. Dun, dun. Our place is just right up these narrow stairs on the second floor. So up we go, everybody. We just happened to fall on a couple days. Yeah, we've got most of the lights off. So in the back part is one suite, and then ours is the Broadway suite right here on the front part. That door at the end of the hallway goes to the bedroom. This door goes to the sitting room. And this door actually goes to the bathroom. So it's adorable, y'all, and it feels homey just to be hanging out here. Just living it up on the main street here in historic Jim Thorpe. Amazing. everybody. There's the bear behind me. We just got off the train, the little scenic train ride, and it was lovely. And now we are in historic downtown Jim Thorpe. How about that? All the sights and sounds. It's nice. Pretty day. Seasonal. Yeah. I found a pretty lady. I found a pretty lady. Do you think she'll say hi to me? Hi, pretty lady.
Can I put this on video? One of my favorite things that I'm seeing here, there are a lot of older couples who are here, but
Yeah.
I love seeing them because I kind of feel like that'll be you and I in about 10 years and 20 years from now, like still going on trips like this and walking along and laughing together and holding hands as we're walking.
Yeah. Maybe it's because the guy farted.
That's what made them laugh.
That's made him laugh. Farts are always funny, y'all.
There's
the ding ding.
Not when he does it, and there's a fan blowing, and it comes right at my face.
This is not that kind of video. We're trying to talk about Jim Thorpe, not about, dropping and plopping. Right? Come on, everybody. Maybe we're the couple that farts. Woo! That was the toot.
Oh,
woo! I did it again. That was a 4-timer. All right, y'all, we are down at the Lehigh River. We made it to the river's edge. It is really low right now. I'm standing where the river should be, and the water's so low. It's coming around a bend here. I don't know if you can see just how crazy that rock face is. And check this out. There it is. That is an old tunnel, train tunnel, and you can see the pylon there and the pylon there that still exists. And there was a cave-in in that tunnel, in that train tunnel, and so they don't use it anymore. That's smart, right? So they built this other bridge over on the side of it, and then as a result, they had to blast through some rock over here on the other side. But yeah, they got us here. Now what do we do? It's too cold to swim, right?
Yeah.
It's a bit nipply, y'all. But we're having an absolute stunning time in nature. I mean, check out that rock face. Unbelievable. y'all, before we leave, we had to take one last excursion here. We are on the actual footpath right next to the train line where we were on that goes, hey, guess what? A river, Lehigh River. It's so beautiful out here. It's a little chilly too, y'all. So I've got my sweater on, and we're just out enjoying the path over the top of this rather tall bridge, and we're enjoying ourselves. Hope y'all are well. We're having a great time getting back to nature and just trying to figure out what the hell to do next. And I think what we are learning is just go with the flow. Just go with the flow. That's what the river's doing, and it's doing just fine.